Good evening everyone. Today's vlog guys. So I'm going to cook our dinner for tonight guys. So I have here this is the very simple dishes only guys for the Chinese dishes like I have here, this is the Choi clean already, and I stir fry guys, and the sitaw, ayan, string beans. So naano ko na siya, na-blanch ko na siya guys. So it's already half cooked lang siya guys. And I mix in a stir fry the meatballs. This is the beef meatballs guys. Ayan. And I have the ginger. Yeah, and wala kasi akong garlic guys. So onion na lang guys. So pwede naman yan siya. And then I have 2 dishes for tonight guys. And the 3 eggs. So I put the salt and spring onion and mix it together. And I have here the ham. This is pork ham. Yeah, I slice like this. So I just fry. Yan. So here we go. So I want to show you guys in how me to cook this. So go with me for cooking. So, ayan guys. So, I need to preheat the pan. Ayan. So, kailangan guys is medyo hot yung pan natin guys. So, before we put the cooking oil. Ayan. And then add some cooking oil on the pan. Yeah, just a little bit for stir fry the vegetables. Yan. And you can mix it like this. Parang ikot-ikot. Ayan. So, una natin guys yung stir-fry natin yung choy and the string beans and then the meatballs. Beef meatballs guys. So, ayan. So, medyo mainit siya. And then, I fry the beef meatloaf guys. Ano ba? Beef balls. Ayan. So, I just fry para malito siya guys. Ayan. Napaka-easy lang ito siyang lutuin. So, ganyan lang yan siya ka-dali. So, just like a fry. Very simple dish. It's a Chinese style. So, they like always frying and stir-fry, steam, something like that. So you just check the meatballs. It's like a brown. And we're adding some onion, guys. Okay. So, malinis yung kamay ko ha. My hand is clean. I washed already my hand. So, I'm adding some onions and the ginger, guys. Ayan. So, fry lang din natin ulit yung yung onion natin, guys. Para medyo naman. Para maiba. Maiba. Ayan. So, nagsalita na ako sa vlog, ha. So, ayan, guys. So, kailangan yung, natin, yung onion. Our onion is like looks like brown. And then, we adding the spring onion. Ayan. So, dito kamay ko ha, hindi siya madumi. I wash. Ayan. So, ganyan lang siya kadali, guys. And halo-halo. Ayan, mix together. This is our life, guys, in Hong Kong. It's how hard working here in Hong Kong, guys. Ayan. And I add also this is the Choi Sam, this is a Chinese vegetable. So I washed it already, and you make them green skin and the deep ball. Yes. So you guys, it's super dami. Ayan. It looks like it's so many guys, but mamaya yung sa guys bababa na Choi Sam. Just like that. Fry and fry lang natin siya. Then, yung adding the sesame. So, add natin yung powder, chicken powder. Ayan. So, after this is how much you put on your stir-fry vegetables, the chicken powder, and add more also the salt. Ayan. It's a lot of it guys, but it's not salt. Ayan. Just like that. It's like a sprinkle on your hand, the salt. And the grandpa always like put a little sugar, but not too much guys. Yeah, for the taste. Ayan. And then I will mix together like this. Okay. Make it ano guys? Ayan. So, ganyan lang sa kadali guys yung mga dishes. Very simple dish. Ito Chinese style. Ayan. Ito Chinese style. So, I will be adding So, I'm adding guys the water. This is the normal water only guys. So, you just check guys how much the water you can put on the stir-fry vegetable. So you just check enough, or you can add more water if it's not enough. Yeah, so just like this. So you add some more if it's not enough, because the string beans is medyo hard. So we need to cook more time for the string beans. Just like this guys, and then we cover for about like 15 minutes or 10 minutes guys, or 5 minutes something. Pagsigurado. So just bring it like that. So andyan, yan, i-check lang natin siya guys. Ayan. So kumukulo na siya guys, yung water. Then we put the water and it's boiling now. And you can check time to time because you cannot overripe guys the vegetables, just like, because some of the some people like overcooked, yeah, but for me I like half cooked, something like that, yeah. And then but for here, because the grandma who have teeth. So you need to check the Choi Sam guys, because the Choi Sam, this called Choi Sam guys. So it's too hard, so you need to check, because the grandma no have teeth. She don't have a teeth, so it's difficult to her to eat this kind of vegetable, and you need to check. Kung yung alaga nyo guys is walang ngipin, so you need to cook more cooking. Ayan. And if I serve to grandma this one, I cut the small pieces so she can eat. Ayan, just like that. I think it's enough. So ayan siya guys, so ready na siya. So ilalagay natin siya sa plate. Ayan. So ayan na guys, so i-transfer na natin siya sa plate. So ganyan lang siya. Ayan. Ay. So, ganyan lang yan siya kadali, guys. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. It's very easy and very simple dishes. This is Chinese style, guys. So, it's very easy. Ayan. And you including the sauce on that side. Ayan, just like that. Ayan. So, here we go, guys. So, ayan na siya guys, yung stir-fry Choi Sam with the string beans and with meat beef balls. Ayan. Ayan na siya, guys. Ayan. So yummy. Ayan.